What better way to start this video than on the side of Route 40? 40 East fishing. That's what we're doing today. Exactly that. I guess I don't really care if everybody knows about this pond. I think it usually sucks. I never caught anything but a bass and a few hits. Not fishing quite yet, but while I was passing it, let's see if this ice is frozen enough to walk on. Go poke around. Well, ain't no secret, because there's footprints in the snow. Oh, there are people walking all over this. It's looking good to me. Some cute little tracks in the snow. Oh, good to see the washing machine's still hanging in there. So we're at least just checking out the spot real quick. Might go grab some minnows if Bowley's is open. And I want to try out some other spots. I want to hit the bay. I want to hit those tributaries, not just this little pond. So still got to check that out and see if it's frozen enough. Maybe Bush River spots or something. Again, I don't care too much about these spots. Everyone knows about them. This looks a little bit sketchier than the pond so far. Doesn't look too promising. Well, we're doing it. We're ice fishing. Got my homemade picks out of screwdrivers and a couple bow lines. We got one tip up, out, and just throwing a micro jig on the rod. But this is literally right next to Route 40. Might walk down a ways and see if we can get away from the noise. Alrighty, so the bridge is still like right there. Just went around the bend. I know it gets like 10 foot right here, so I'm hoping there's deep hole, it drops off quick. It's very narrow here. So I'm thinking just deeper water is what I'm looking for. Hopefully there's a perch here and I'll be happy. Just get something through the ice, am I right? I don't know what I'm doing. This is literally my second time ice fishing, by the way. The only other time I've done it was Deep Creek. Let's see if the ice is safe and hopefully drill some holes. So I ended up going back to the pond. Here's me jigging there. Never caught a damn thing this day. I just thought this would be really cool to share with you guys because it doesn't freeze in Maryland like this to get to ice fish. Never got to do this down here, so first time. But now here's some cool clips. Me, Eddie, Kayla catching some pickerel. What's going on, guys? Out here with the Hailes today. Little secret lake. Little breezy February day. We're gonna chase some pickerel today, get some big ones. Should be some good largemouth in here too. Throwing jerk baits, big swim baits, glides. See what we can do here. You need that. Not bad first one.
There you go.
Nice belly. What'd you get him on?
Jerk bait.
Jerk bait, starting it off. 4-pounder.
Something like that, probably. Into the deep.
Give me some.
Huh?
Give me some. Nice. Alright, back out here today with Ed again this winter. This video is going to be a little bit all over the place. Last time you saw us, we were getting some pickerel. Now we're doing the classic mission, Loch Raven. This is the time of year when them big ones bite. Used to always be in 5-6 pounders, jerk baits, glide baits. I see people catching them online now, so it's my turn. Let's get back out there. See what we can do. So, of course, from here on out, I decided to film everything in slow-mo, which has no audio. But so, we only had about an hour or two this day to fish, right at the evening. That's probably about the only time they will bite this time of year. And I know what you may be thinking if you're local to my area. What are you doing standing in the water at Loch Raven? I think it is, you're not supposed to be wearing waders out there, but this time of year you do need to get it out a little bit further. And not to mention, it does help not dragging the fish onto the bank. Keeps them in the water as much as possible. Just a lot easier to take care of them. Even though this guy's seen some better days, he's got a nice big gash in his back there. I also think that the main concern with wearing waders is cross-contaminations with different species. I use these waders maybe twice a year. And at only Loch Raven, they sit in the closet for the most part. As soon as it gets warm, I'm staying on the boat. So the best part of the day was we met a new friend. His name was Shane. He got the kicker for today. Got a 4.5 pounder. Very nice job, dude. It was good meeting you. Gonna be wrapping this video up here, but I really appreciate you guys watching. If you watched this far, let me know where you're from and tell me what else you'd like to see in this video. But just wanted to show you guys what I was fishing for this winter because everybody's always asking.